Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to complete some exercises of chapter 5th, that is breathing deeply. So students, open page number 25 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to complete exercise. So students, you have to complete these exercises in your book, not in copy. So here I am going to read part A of exercise time. Take the correct answer. Number 1, B, breath in. So B, breath in oxygen. Now the second, B, breath out. B, exhale carbon dioxide. The third, the muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body is the thing. What should be it? It is heart. Heart pumps blood throughout the body. Now the fourth, the normal temperature of the body is, it should be 98.6 Fahrenheit. We have studied about it earlier. Now the fifth, the dash has 12 pairs of curved bones. Has lungs 12 pairs of curved bone? Has diaphragm 12 pairs of curved bones? No. Rib cage has 12 pairs of curved bones. Is that clear, students? Now write true or false. So here we are going to complete B part of exercise time, which is write true or false. Number 1, in true or false, the air we exhale is warm. True or false? Think. It is true. Now the second, always inhale through your mouth. Is it right? Think it's? No, it is not right. We should always inhale through our nose, because nose has some airs which work as filter to filter air. So it is false. Now the third, the doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to our heartbeats. Is it true? Yes, it is true. The doctor uses a stethoscope to listen heartbeats of our heart. So here you have to write here true. Just a minute. Now the third. Fourth, the air from our nose goes into the blood. Is it right, students? No, it is not right, because oxygen which is present in air goes to the blood, but the air from our nose goes to the lungs through windpipe. Did you remember this thing? So here you have to write false. That is F. Now, fifth, our rib cage protects the lungs. True or false? It is true. Our rib cage protects the lungs and the heart. So here you have to write true. Now the next, 6, oxygen is needed for burning. So is it true or it is false? It is true. Oxygen is needed for burning because it increases the amount of heat. So here you have to write true. So students, in the B part, second and fourth are false and the rest are true. So you have to do A and B part of exercise time in your book, and in the next class we will do C and D part, which you all have to do in your fair copy or EVS copy. So that's all students for today. Thank you students.